Hello students, good morning to you all. I am your science teacher S. Kiran. Welcome to all my science online classes. So students, as I told in last videos, the next video I will come with the next topic. Which one? Types of changes. Yes. Which topic students? Types of changes. Students, last video we have seen how the changes, what type of changes are coming, we have seen in the nature, and also we are experiencing day to day life. So students, in which of them one step more we will discuss today. So before starting, just wear or use your headphone for the better listening and experiencing. Take out your textbook and get ready with the class. So students, today we will discuss about the types of changes. Number first point, reversible changes. Reversible. Students, I hope that the words reversible changes, I think earlier you did not have listened the words reversible, but reverse you have listened maybe reverse. Listen. It means what? Re. Do you know re? Recap. I use these words sometimes. Recap. What is recap? Recap means do again. It means again. Re means revise. Re it means revise. Okay, students? So reversible. First of all, today we will know what the meanings of this word. Reverse. It means the students same things. The changing we are going, but after some times it can return back at the same position, same size. That is reversible. Are you getting my points? It means return back at its original shape or size. See students, it is an effect on substance. It is an effect on substance on which substance get returned to its original state. As I told you right now, reversible it means returned back to its original shape, returned back to its original state. Okay, that is reversible. Okay, reversible it means, can you say, supposed to be you are inflating the balloon. What happens? That balloon will inflate. As you leave them, what will happen? Either that balloon may burst or that balloon may deflate. या तो वो बैलून क्या हो जाएगा, अगर उसमें कंसिस्टेंटली एयर को हम फिलअप करते गए तो वो क्या होगा? व्हाट विल हैपन? दैट बैलून में बर्स्ट. इट मीन्स या तो वो फट जाएगा दोबारा, और अगर हम उसे छोड़ देते हैं तो फिर क्या होगा? वो एयर बाहर आ जाएगा और वो बैलून फिर से ऑर्डिनल शेप में आ जाएगा. और गेटिंग माय पॉइंट्स? वो जैसा था उसी तरीके के शेप में आ जाएगा. तो दैट व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज द रिवर्सिबल चेंजेस. सपोज टू बी, अगर आप घर पे कभी कभी एक रबर बैंड आता है बेटा, आप देखे होंगे, या घर में मम्मा से पूछिए रबर बैंड कहाँ है माँ, है तो दीजिए. रबर बैंड जैसे ही आप उसको क्या करते हो, स्ट्रेच करते हो, वो क्या होता है? वो एक्सपैंड करता है. दैट एक्सपैंड्स. बट एज यू लीव देम, व्हाट हैपन? दैट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स अगेन, इट कम रिटर्न बैक टू योर original state. That is reversible changes. So there are many more examples of reversible changes. Reversible changes it must return back to its original shape or state or size. Okay. So if we discuss about the example, see the freezing of water. We can see freezing of water. What is this? It is also physical changes, reversible changes. Supposed to be we are taking water. Already we are making water. What is water? That is a liquid state. On cooling, what will happen? That will happen. That will freeze. That will become ice. But after heating, what will happen? That may evaporate. It converts into the gas. So by the process of condensation, evaporation, water states also returns to their original state. Okay, students. See, rolling of chapati from dough. as B, if to make chapati after doing the flour, that can be returned back. Suppose to be one chapati I have rolled. After that rolled chapati I don't want to be heat. I don't want to be cook it. What will happen? Simply उसको हम फिर से क्या कर सकते हैं, डो बना सकते हैं. We can make it again dough. So that is reversible changes. But after rolling or after give its heat and as one cooked, after that we cannot reverse it. We cannot make it again dough. So that is irreversible. But till rolling of the dough, that is reversible. बैलून वाई ब्लोइंग, अभी मैंने डिस्कस किया था कि अगर एक बैलून को ब्लो करते हो तो क्या होता है, वो एक्सपैंड करता है, छोड़ते हो तो क्या होता है, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करता है, वो अपने ओरिजिनल स्टेट में आ जाता है. सी फोल्डिंग एंड फोल्डिंग ऑफ पेपर, आपको पता है बेटा, आई थिंक समटाइम्स यू यूज्ड टू प्ले बाय द पेपर, समटाइम्स यू मेक different types of shapes of the paper, different types of art of the paper by folding or unfolding. As you fold it, it may become shape. As you unfold it, it returns back to its original shape and size. So what is this? This is the reversible changes. Okay students, so dissolving sugar in water, closing and opening of mimosa leaves. Do you know mimosa leaves? That is called लाजवंती कहते हो बेटा. लाजवंती का नाम सुना है? लाजवंती पौधा, एक ऐसे पौधा जिसको हम जैसे ही टच करते हैं वो क्या होता है, उसके लिप्स क्या होते हैं, वो क्लोज होते हैं. जैसे इसको छोड़ देते हैं फ्यू मिनट्स के लिए, वो फिर क्या होता है, उसके सारे लिप्स ओपन हो जाते हैं. दैट इज द ओपनिंग और क्लोजिंग. इट मीन्स क्या हो रहा है, उसके स्टेट में वो पुनः अपने स्टेट में वापस आ रहा है. दैट इज रिटर्न बैक इन देयर ओरिजिनल स्टेट और शेप. इट मीन्स दैट इज द रिवर्सिबल चेंजेस. But second point, we are going to discuss about the irreversible changes, just opposite of reversible changes. In reversible changes, they are returns back in their original state or position or shape. But irreversible changes, it will never returns back. See, changes that cannot be reversed even after bringing about changes in the condition. Once it just their shape, size, after that it did not returns back in their original state. That is the irreversible. It is just opposite process of reversible changes. That is called irreversible changes. So you can see the example, cooking of egg. I think आप लोगों को, I think many of you likes too much egg. Only few members of you who do not like to eat egg, but many of you like it. So cooking of an egg, if supposed to be, अगर हम एक बार एग को बना दें, उसको हम अच्छे से कुक कर लें, क्या हम उसे वापस ला सकते हैं? Can we reverse back? No. It's not possible. Same with bursting of balloon. If supposed to be balance, after blowing it becomes burst. What happened? That can be bring in original shape or state? No. That is irreversible changes. Ripening of fruits. One supposed to fruits ripe. Can we do it unripe? अगर कोई फ्रूट्स अगर पका हुआ है तो क्या हम इसे फिर से कच्चा कर सकते हैं? क्या वो कच्चा हो सकता है खुद से? नॉट पॉसिबल. सो दीज आर द irreversible changes. So many more examples in front of us in the surroundings. So now it's your turn to write 5 more examples of reversible or irreversible changes. Till then, keep revising again and again so you can explain, you can update your mind very well about the reversible or irreversible changes. Until that, keep revising. We will come back very soon with the next topic. Okay, thank you.